Hi there, it's Marie again. I am again a hot mess, but sorry, I wanted to film this video for you. I just got a package in from 42 Agents. I've kind of talked about 42 Agent a little bit before, and they are a shopping service that you can use to order items off of Taobao. And for this particular package, I have to give them massive kudos because I was really afraid that this dress was going to sell out. So I very quickly tried to order it before the shop even had like their links up on Taobao for everything. And I basically left them a little message when I put the order in, and I was like, please put all these items in too. And they went in and they found all the links and they put them in and asked me to check them. And they were right. Their customer service is so awesome. 42 Agent is definitely an amazing service to use. So if you're thinking about ordering something off of Taobao and you're wondering what shopping service to go with, 42 Agent is definitely an awesome option. Alright, so let's get to opening this package. Okay, woohoo, here it is! Alright, let's get to opening this. Oh, I'm very excited. Oh, okay. Excuse me for the little bit of excitement here. I'm going to try and kind of go bit by bit. So here is the bracelet that came with this dress. It is, I probably should have mentioned which dress I ordered and which dress I've got. This is a butterfly JSK. I'll definitely have to try this on and give a better opinion on this, but my first impression is that this looks very nicely made. So I am excited to put it on. Alright. Well, there's the bracelet. And can I just say, look at the bag that this came in. This is a very nice bag. It's not just like some cheap plastic. It's a really nice bag. Okay. I believe this is the necklace. Yes. So the necklace that comes with it came with the dress. I'm very excited. Again, this looks very well made on my first impressions. So the chain is a little lightweight, so it's not like super heavy metal, which you might expect out of some of this jewelry, but it's nice and lightweight, which I like anyway because I like to have lightweight jewelry around my neck. I don't wear jewelry that often, so when I am actually wearing jewelry, I like it to be lightweight. All right, on to the next piece. This is the headbow. Yes. Whoops. Oh, and then I go just knocking it off like that. Again, looks super well made. First impressions. It's very comfortable. Yeah, like the headband doesn't feel like it's squeezing my head or anything like that. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself in my viewer, not the camera. That's kind of ridiculous. Like, I want to look at how pretty I look in this outfit. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna save that for last because I think that's something that goes with the dress. Okay, next is the blouse. Oh, very nice. The nice blouse. It has the little cross neck thing there. Oh, nice. The little closure is a rose. Again, looks super well made. The spikes are sewn on, which is always a good sign. Means that they are nice and secure. They're not glued or anything. It is sewn on. And everything is very nicely serged. Okay, that's like a pet peeve of mine is when I go to a store and I look at the seams and the serging is bad. But the serging is very nice, so it's good quality. It looks to be good quality anyway, and it's a knit material, so it'll be nice and stretchy and it'll fit very nicely, I expect. I will do a video later of me actually wearing this, and I can give you a full critique of what I think of this dress. All right. So there's like a little scrap of fabric that came with this. This is interesting. It's not a handkerchief because it's not finished on the edges, but this is very interesting. Oh, and there's some clips? Oh. I'm not sure what it is, but it's very lovely. I'm sure it's probably something that I'm gonna feel like an idiot when I do this longer video with me actually wearing it. And I'll tell you what an idiot I am then and what it actually is. So, alright. Now on to the best part. Not the blouse and the jewelry aren't good because they're pretty awesome, but the part that I'm most excited about is this actual dress. So the dress that I got is the black and gray colorway because I am a sucker for dark colors. This dress also came in a blue and black colorway. Oh, and there's these little bows that go along with it. Those are super cute. Yay! Okay. And here comes the dress! Ah! Oh no, I'm losing parts of it. Okay. Alright, there's the bow that goes with it. It goes on. It's a pin. It's pinned. You pin it onto the dress. And here is the dress. Very nice. Just looking at the ribs. Oh, see, this was my favorite part of the dress that I fell in love with when I saw pictures of it. It is nice and shiny and really lovely looking, and just the butterfly print looks so cool. The lace looks really nice. I can't wait to try this on and give you a real good video to tell you about my feedback on this dress. Oh, it's super pretty. I cannot wait to put it on. Okay. Oh, and this is awesome too. There's like little buttons in the back where you can adjust the straps. So that's always a nice thing because I have small shoulders, and a lot of times I have to adjust straps on dresses that I buy from off-the-rack stores here in the United States. So I like the fact that I can adjust straps. Okay, I really want to try this on and give you a video, so I'll have to do that in the coming future here. But let me give you one little nice flash shot of the front of the dress. Okay. And I will try and get a couple of better shots here with my camera. But yeah, so 42 Agent, awesome. And Star Fantasy, the brand that I bought this from, and my first impressions are that it's good. So I will give you another video of what I think of it once I'm actually wearing it. Make sure you click subscribe so that you can see more about my transition into alternative fashion. And yeah, so I'll catch you next time.